Hello, everybody. Welcome to ODA's YouTube session. So, kids, you all are very much aware that what we are going to learn today. So, today you are going to learn Vedic math and learn the simplest tricks to solve the questions in just 15 seconds with your teacher, Srishti Mahajan. So, kids, let us know much more about me. So I'm your teacher, Srishti Mahajan. I'm mathematics master teacher and I have taught 30,000 plus students and I'm Vedic math expert. So kids, I am hoping that today you all are going to learn something new and enjoy the session a lot. So kids, let us see that what we are going to learn today. So kids, today we are going to learn multiplication. So usually when you do multiplication, this is the most toughest task. Usually you are solving the questions and we get the wrong answers, right? But after learning today's trick, you all will feel really good and solve the questions in fraction of seconds. So why you all should learn Vedic math? So everybody, you should learn Vedic math to solve the mathematical problems in fraction of seconds. Besides that, you all should learn the tricks to reduce the number of steps in your exams in order to complete your exam papers on time, and you can participate in competitive exams as well. And third one, to have the joy of mathematics and eradicate your fear of mathematics. So kids, are you all ready for the amazing session? So please give me a thumbs up in the chat box. Everybody, give me a thumbs up in the chat box if you all are ready for the amazing session. So, kids, let us begin with the very first topic of the multiplication. Now, kids, I need your attention, all right? Because it is very important that you all understand the conditions so that you all can imply these tricks in your exams as well. So, kids, the very first trick over here, which I will be talking about, is the multiplication trick where the sum of the last two digits where the sum of the last two digits number should always be 10. So now what is this last two digits over here? So kids, I hope you all know it very well that what is ones place and what is tens place. So I have a question for all of you. In a number 372, can you all tell me that what is the unit digit number? So tell me the answer in the chat box, everybody. What is the unit digit number in 372? All right, so I will write the number here 372. So tell me what is the unit digit here? In this number, what is the unit digit? So, yes, really great. Yes. So, 2 is the unit digit here because this is the ones place, this is the tens place, and this is the hundreds place. All right. So, kids, now you all are aware, right? That what we are doing today, that this is your ones place here. All right. So yeah, this is your ones place here and this is your tens place. And what is the condition? That the sum of your unit digits should always be 10. So let us see how to solve this problem. If I have a question 28 times 22, so over here we have that unit digit should always sum as 10. So over here, 8 plus 2 is 10, right? So what do we get over here? 8 plus 2 is 10. So how to solve this question? Simply multiply your unit digits 8 times 2 and you get 16 as the answer. Kids, are you all able to understand it? Tell me fast in the chat box. Give me a 1 if you all understand till here. Yeah. So now, kids, let us see the step number two. The step number two says that multiply the two with its successor number. So over here, kids, can you see that here my both the digits are same. So what I will do, I will simply multiply 2 by its next number, which is 3, and I got 6 as the answer, and this is going to be the first place of my answer. So finally, I got my answer as 616. Kids, am I clear to all of you? So would you all like to try some problems with me? Yes, kids, would you all like to try some problems with me? All right, so that's really great. So let us try some problems over here together. Now, kids, I hope you all remember the condition. The condition says that the sum of your unit digit should always be 10. So over here, we have the first question, 56 times 54. All right. So in 56 times 54, first you have to verify that the sum of your unit digit should be 10. Is it 10? Is 6 plus 4 10, kids? So yes, it is 10. So what we will do, we will simply multiply the unit digits over here. So 6 times 4 is 24. And what is the step number 2? That you are going to multiply the tens digit by its next number. So now tell me, kids, what comes after 5? Tell me fast, what comes after 5? Really great. Yes. So 6 comes after 5. So simply multiply 5 and 6, and we got 30 here, and 30 is the first part of our answer. So we got the final answer as 3024. So kids, did you all see that we solved this problem in fraction of seconds? This is how you can utilize this tricks in your school exams and competitive exams as well. So let us try solving some more questions. But now I need your participation as well. So kids, participate with your teacher and try to give the answers for the rest of the question. And I will also help you out. We will do it together. So let us try solving 78 times 72. So kids, are you all aware about the conditions now really well? So now we are doing 78 times 72. The step number 1 is to verify whether 8 plus 2 is 10 or not. Whether these digits are resulting in the sum of 10 or not. So yes, they are resulting in the sum of 10. So we will simply multiply 8 and 2 and we get 16 as the answer. And what is the step number 2? Simply multiply your tens digit by the next number. So what comes after 7, kids? Tell me fast in the chat box. Hurry up. So yes, 8 comes after 7. So simply multiply 7 and 8 and you will get your answer. All right, so what is 7 times 8? So 7 times 8 is 56 and we got our answer 5616 in fraction of seconds. All right, 2 more to go and we will solve them in fraction of seconds together. All right, kids, so let us move to the next question. And kids, here I want to tell you all, kindly note down the steps and the tricks in your notebook so that you remember them for a long time. Otherwise, you will forget it and you will not be able to utilize them in your exams. All right, so now let's move to the next question. All right, now let's try solving 95 times 95. So this everybody knows, right? 5 and 5 together gives us 10. So we will simply solve this question in fraction of seconds, 95 times 95. So what you are supposed to do, simply multiply 5 with 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. Now, what does step number 2 say? Simply multiply 9 by its next number, that is 10. So, what is 9 times 10? It is 90. So, we got the answer 9025 correct in fraction of seconds. Now, kids, let us try the last question together. Then we are moving to the next amazing trick which you all will love. So, all right, what is 37 times 33? So again, simply multiply the ones place digit. 7 times 3 is 21. Now multiply 3 by its next number, that is 4. That is, so we finally got the answer 1221 correct. So kids, if you all like this trick, so give me a thumbs up in the chat box and then we will move to the next trick. All right. All right, kids. So now let's move to the next trick. Now you all must be wondering, what is this trick? This is valid only on 2-digit numbers. But actually, that is not the scenario. You all can use this trick in 3 digits as well. So let us learn how to do it with the 3-digit numbers as well. So kids, excited to learn the same trick with the 3-digit numbers. Now we are leveling up. So stay there till the end in order to learn many more tricks like this with your teacher. All right, kids, so now let us see how to do 112 times 118. Kids, the condition has to be same, only the numbers are increased. So kids, please focus here very carefully. All right. So please see here carefully. Now we have three-digit number, but again the condition is same. The ones place digit is resulting in the sum of 10. Over here we have 8 and 2. 8 plus 2 is 10 and the step 2 is absolutely same, kids. What you are supposed to do? Simply multiply your digits with the next number. So tell me, what is the successor of 11? Tell me in the chat box superbly fast. Yes, great kids. So the successor of 11 is 12. Now we will do 11 times 12. So in order to do 11 times 12, I have a special trick for my kids. You can simply use the VCM method of Vedic math. Now what is this VCM method? This method is vertically, crosswise, vertically method. This will help you to solve 2D into 2D superbly fast. So let us see how to do it. All right. So how you will do it? You will simply do first 1 time 1. Wait a second, I will write it down here. When we are doing 11 times 12, this is your ones place and this is your tens place. So what you are supposed to do? Simply apply the vertical method on the tens place. So you have applied vertical method on the tens place. So 1 time 1 is 1. Now what you have to do? You have to imply cross. So how to do a cross? Simply do 1 time 2 and then do 1 times 1 and then add it. So what is 1 time 2? 1 time 2 is 2 and 1 time 1 is 1. Now what is 1 plus 2? We got 3 over here. Now simply apply vertically on your ones place. All right. So what is 1 time 2? It is 2. So we got the answer 132 here, which is the first part of our answer. And you are simply supposed to multiply the ones place 8 into 2 and you got 16 as the answer. Kids, did you all understand the trick well? Tell me fast in the chat box. Everybody, I want your replies. If not, do not worry. I am going to repeat the trick, all right? Do not worry about that. I will repeat the trick, all right? So kids, let us try solving some questions based on this trick. So it is absolutely same. Do not worry. Okay. So let us do the very first problem, 107 times 103. Kids, here I want to tell you one thing. We learned the VCM method so that you can do the questions in fraction of seconds. But if you already know the answer, then no need to apply the VCM method. Directly write down your answer and it would be good enough. All right. So let us try with the very first problem, 107 times 103. So, all right, kids, let us begin with the very first question, which is 107 times 103. And what is the condition over here? That the sum of your unit place digits should be 10. So, yes, 7 plus 3 is 10. So, simply multiply 7 and 3. What do we get? Tell me fast in the chat box. What is 7 times 3? Everybody. I want all your participations. Yes, really great. So 7 times 3 is 21. Now what you are supposed to do next? Simply multiply this digit by its next number. So what comes after 10? 11 comes after 10. Now I know that everybody knows that what is 11 times 10. So kids, 11 times 10 is 110. Now see kids, you solved this problem in fraction of seconds. If you wouldn't have known this trick, you would not be able to solve this question in fraction of seconds. Right now, I just want to know that did you all enjoy learning this trick? Tell me fast in the chat box. Everybody. All right. Now let's try doing the another question, which is 20. 266 times 264. So, all right. So, kids, again, the condition is absolutely same, that the sum of your ones place digit should be 10. So what is 6 times 4? So everybody, 6 times 4 is 24. Now what you have to do? Simply multiply 26 by 27. Now kids, in this case, you all can use VCM method. Alright. So over here, 26 times 27 is 702. So we got the answer 70224 correct in fraction of seconds. And kids, just in case if you all need that, I repeat the VCM method, I can repeat it. Do not worry about it at all. All right, now let's try the another question superbly fast. 195 times 195. All right, kids, so see here. Now let's see how many super kids are there who are going to solve this question in fraction of seconds. So over here, again remember that sum of the ones digit should be 10. Simply multiply 5 times 5. So you get 25 here. Now multiply 19 by its next number, that is 20. So what is 19 times 20, kid? So if you want, you can use the VCM method as well. So here I can show you how to use the VCM method. So let us see how to use the VCM method, everybody. All right. So what is 19 times 20? So how to use the VCM method, kids? Vertically crosswise method. Simply multiply your tens place digit. 2 times 1 is 2. Now apply the cross. So 1 times 0 is 0 and 2 times 9 is 18. So what is 0 plus 18? It is 18. Now simply multiply the digits at ones place. So 9 times 0 is 9 over here. Kids, are you all able to get it? Tell me fast in the chat box, everybody. If not, I am ready to repeat it. All right. So now let us see what is the final answer. Write down 0, write down 8. 1 will be carried forward to 2 and we get 3 here. Now why it is carried forward? Because we want one digit in one grid. So the final answer would be 38025. Am I clear, everybody? Am I clear? All right, kids. Now let's try the another question. 307 times 303. Superbly fast. So kids, I want your participation. Let's see who is going to solve it first, you or me. All right. So now let's try doing 307 times 303 superbly fast. All right. So what is 307 times 303? So I hope you all are aware of the condition. Simply multiply your ones place digit. So 7 times 3 is 21 here. Now you are supposed to multiply 30 by its next number, that is 31. So what is 30 times 31? So everybody, it is 930. So we got the answer 93021 in fraction of seconds. So kids, tell me fast, did you all enjoy learning this trick till here? Then we are going to move to the next trick, and that is also going to be really awesome. And I hope you all enjoy learning that trick as well with your teacher. All right, so let's move to the next trick, everybody. Now this trick says that over here, the sum of your tens place digit should be 10. Now the question is totally reversed. Earlier it was like that the sum of your ones place digit should be 10, but now it should be like the sum of your tens place digit should be 10. All right. So now what is the condition here? It is again not at all difficult. It is superbly easy. I hope you all enjoy learning this trick as well. All right, kids. So let us see how to do this question. So first you have to verify whether the sum of your tens place digit is 10 or not, and your ones place digit should always be same. So can you all see here? Kids, can you all see here that 4 and 6 sum as 10, and here 7 and 7 are absolutely same. So now how to solve this problem? Let us see that, everybody. So in this case, what you will do? You will simply multiply your tens place digit. See here carefully, everybody. Let us see how to solve this question in fraction of seconds. So what you will do? If you have a question 47 times 67, so what you will do? Let us see that. All right. So the condition is very simple, that you will simply multiply 7 times 7. So what do you get? What is 7 times 7? So 7 times 7 is 49. Now what you are supposed to do? What is the next step? You will simply multiply your tens place digit. So 6 times 4 is 24. But now what is the next step? This step is very important and you all have to remember this step, all right? You have multiplied 6 and 4, you got 24. Now simply add the ones digit to it. So what is 24 plus 7? Everybody tell me in the chat box, what is 24 plus 7? So everybody, 24 plus 7 is 31 and we got our answer in fraction of seconds, 3149, correct. So kids, if you all understood the trick, give me a thumbs up in the chat box. We are going to do much more problems based on the similar trick. All right. So let us see fast. All right, kids. So now let us try solving 34 times 74. Superbly fast, everybody. So what is 34 times 74? I hope you all are aware of the conditions very well, right? So we are going to do 34 times 74. The your ones place digit should always be same and your tens place digit sum should always be 10. So in that case, what you are doing, simply multiplying your ones place digit. So what is 4 times 4, everybody? So 4 times 4 is 16. Now simply multiply the digits at your tens place. So 3 times 7 is 24. Now, what is the next step? That you are supposed to add your ones place digit to your answer. So, what is 21 plus 4? It is 25. And we got our answer in fraction of seconds, correct. Yes, kids, did you all understand it well? So, will you all solve the questions with me? I hope you all are solving the questions in your notebook, right? As I told you to make your notes in your notebook. All right, now let's try the another question. So what is 98 times 18? So again, always remember that you have to always verify the conditions in order to solve the question. All right. So over here, simply multiply 8 and 8. You got 64. Now what you will do, kids? You will be multiplying 9 and 1. But now, here is a special condition in this question, that you have to add the ones place digit. So what is 9 plus 8? So 9 plus 8 is 17. So we got the answer 1764, correct, in fraction of seconds. Now let us try the another question, everybody. All right, so what is 23 times 83? So let us see over here. And I hope that you all are solving these questions along with your teacher, right? So first multiply 3 and 3. So what is 3 times 3? Yes, it is 9, but you will not simply write down 9 over here because we need 2 digits in one grid. So you will write down 09 over here. Now simply multiply 8 and 2, we got 16. So what is the next step, kids? Yes, correct. that you are supposed to add the ones place digit to your answer. So what is 16 plus 3? So 16 plus 3 is 19. So we got the answer 1909 correct in fraction of seconds. Now let's try the last question with your teacher. Now kids, we are moving ahead to the last question. So now I want your participation and I want you all to solve this question with me. Let's see who is going to solve it fast, you or me. All right. So 37 times 87. So what you will do, kids, simply multiply the digits at ones place. So 7 times 7 is 49. Now simply multiply 3 and 8. So 3 times 8 is 24. Now what is the next step? Simply add the ones place digit to it. So what is 24 plus 7? It is 31. And we got the answer 3149 correct in fraction of seconds. Kids, I hope you all enjoyed learning these tricks with your teacher. Did you all enjoy learning these tricks with me? Give me a thumbs up in the chat box superbly fast if you all enjoyed learning these tricks with me, and you are going to join my sessions to learn many more tricks like these in order to boost up your calculation for your exams and your competitive exams as well. All right. So kids, if you all enjoyed learning this trick, so this is our platform ODA Class, and we are the winner of the most innovative edtech of 2020, and this is not declared by us, it is declared by Hindustan Times as well, and you will understand that why we are innovative once you will join our platform. So kids, in order to join our platform, it is very important that you all download the ODA Class app. You can download the ODA Class app by visiting the Play Store, and you can join our free sessions after installing the app. There are many live sessions going on every day, and you will get to learn much more what you learn in your school. So do join our platform ODA Class and join our free sessions on our app, and then earn lot of coins and rewards. What is this reward system? You will get to know once you will join our platform. And besides that, kids, there is one more program at ODA Class, which is Bridge Course. You all can join our Bridge Course program by clicking on the link which is available in the description box. So I want you all to click on that link right now and be the part of our Bridge Course program. And the course fee is not at all high. It is 29 rupees, and it's a 1 week long program where you are going to learn a lot. Trust me on that. All right, kids. So, how to install the ODA app? First of all, open up your Play Stores. Then kindly type ODA Class and then click on install button, and the app is going to be installed in your mobile phones, and then join our live sessions, the free live sessions on the ODA app. All right. And kids, now this is our reward system, which makes our platform very different from the other edtech platforms. Once you join our platform, you can earn lot of ODA coin rewards. Once you earn those rewards, your rewards will not get wasted at all. All the coins can be utilized at the ODA Mall. We have a special mall at ODA Class, and you can purchase the items like smart water bottle, smart watch, smart soundbar, and smartphone. Many kids at ODA Class have purchased these items. If you also want to purchase these items with your own money, with your own hard work, so do join the ODA Class today itself. So kids, fast download the ODA Class app and be the part of the ODA family as soon as possible, because very limited seats are available for the bridge course. If our batch is closed, then you will regret that you didn't join the ODA app. All right. So kids, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe your teacher. If you all enjoyed my session, definitely like, share, and subscribe. So kids, that's all from my side, and I hope you all enjoyed the session. Thank you. Thank you, kids.